So here we have already applied the loads, so now we'll analyze the whole structure and see the results. So we'll go to analyze and set analyze case, and then click on OK. So create analysis method, and then we need to go to analyze again and set load cases. We want all the forces as in action as run. So if anything is unchecked as, so make this in run and click on apply. So as you can see the deflections here. So we can now put it in the animation and click on start animation, and you can see the whole structure is animating. We have done the analysis, we have run it and shown it in an animation. Now we'll show the results in the table. So we'll go to the display and show tables. Here select the load cases. We need to select the dead load first. So here we need to select the dead load, click on OK, and click on the joint output and displacement and the table, and then go to the element output, frame output, and then check the table and click on OK. So here is the table. So the P is nothing but the lateral forces, V2 is the shear force during the x direction, and V3 is the shear force during the y direction, T is the bending torsion, and M1 and M2 is the moment in the x and y direction. So we changed it from the to the joint displacement. So here U1, U2 and U3 are nothing but the deflection during the x, y and z direction. So here we have all the results of this structure. Here we'll check the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. So first shear, check on shear tool and click on apply. So we can see this is the shear force diagram for the respective structure, and we'll go to the display and show forces frame cable tendons, and we will check the moment bending moment diagram here. Click on apply, and here you can see this is the bending moment diagram. So that's it. This is the Thank you very much.